What you can see in the exhibition room is a sort of a digital opera where we used footage, real footage, and generated and 3D scans of the landscape of Namur, and then we somehow glue and merged everything together in a 15 minutes piece that it's, we can call it an immersive audiovisual installation.
Public can walk around them, they can sit, they can stay. We really wanted to make the space that is like comfortable.
We have all this data that appears and disappears from the footage somehow. So there is a lot of numbers, right? And the singers were like singing these numbers in different languages. They were reproducing the sound of salmons, and you can hear it somehow spatialized in the space, that it's a sort of a dialogue between the human and non-humans.
The work which is presented now at the KIKK Festival is actually a result of 1 year research. It was done in the frame of Covision European project. It was kind of idea to work about the contextualization of natural and cultural heritage and what does changing landscape means in today's kind of perspectives. During the research, and when we started to think how to and what to and how to enter into that, we came across one very interesting artifact. It's a very, very tiny archaeological fossil of insect. It's like 365 million years old. The fossil is called Strudella devonica.
Thanks to the actual opera house here in Namur, we created somehow this score of storytelling, right, of present, past, and future. And to talk about the past, we use Strudella as a subject, and to talk about the present, we actually work with the University of Namur, and we take salmon as a subject and as an oracle. Because salmon was almost disappearing in the two rivers that we are taking as our main partners for the project, La Meuse and La Sambre.
I think it was like first time, at least for me, but I think also for you, Marco, that we both worked with archaeological kind of context.
Yeah, and insects actually.
And insects. For us, this was like interesting departure because it's the first collaborative piece we did together. And it was interesting to start somewhere where it was unknown for both of us.
We have mainly like these two different ideas. That one is to recreate the project live, so with the singers singing the score live in the room, so as it is now, but you know, in a more like concert hall kind of vibe, right? So we would play live with machines, and the singer would sing the score, and we would like let's say extend the project to 45 minutes to 50 minutes. And the other one, which is much closer to what we did now, probably simpler to do, is to travel through different cities and to add the history of the rivers and the city within the artwork, to have an expanded and more like global version of Fossilized Futures.